Greenland scientists play volleyball in shorts at the North Pole. Is the North Pole too hot to wear short sleeves? Scientists play volleyball in shorts in ice and snow. Is the North Pole too hot to wear short sleeves? Scientists play volleyball in shorts. It's warm enough to wear short sleeves, near 60 degrees in Greenland. With temperatures in Greenland approaching 60 degrees Fahrenheit, a warm day like today is enough to wear short sleeves. The ice sheet covering Greenland, the world's largest island, is also melting at an accelerating rate. Scientists in the Arctic can walk around in short sleeves and even play ice volleyball. Several days of unusually warm weather in northern Greenland have triggered rapid melting, made visible by the rivers of meltwater rushing into the ocean. Days of unusually warm weather have accelerated the melting of the ice sheet in northern Greenland, with the ice melting into water and flowing into the ocean as streams. Yesterday we could wander around in our t-shirts. That was not really expected, said Kotalmi Salam, a research scientist with the University of Texas who is currently stationed in Greenland. Yesterday we could even walk around in t-shirts, which was really unexpected, said University of Texas scientist Kotalmi Salam, who is currently based in Greenland. Melted ice enough to fill 7.2 million Olympic swimming pools. According to the National Snow and Ice Data Center, Greenland lost as much as 6 billion tons of ice every day from July 15 to 17 alone, enough to fill 7.2 million Olympic-sized swimming pools. Researchers from the University of Texas station in Greenland said that due to the increase in temperature, the total amount of melting of the Greenland ice sheet is very alarming, and the sound of ice melting in front of them can even be heard. The amount of ice that melted in Greenland between July 15 and 17 alone, 6 billion tons of water per day, would be enough to fill 7.2 million Olympic-sized swimming pools, according to data from the U.S. National Snow and Ice Data Center. Will the tragedy of 2019 repeat itself? According to a research report by Columbia University in the United States, the Greenland ice sheet melted about 532 billion tons of ice in 2019, which directly led to a permanent global sea level rise of 1.5 millimeters. Each summer, scientists worry that they will see a repeat of the record melting that occurred in 2019, when 532 billion tons of ice flowed out into the sea. An unexpectedly hot spring and a July heat wave that year caused almost the entire ice sheet's surface to melt. Global sea level rose permanently by 1.5 millimeters as a result. In 2020, scientists discovered that Greenland's ice sheet has melted to the point of no return. No effort to stop global warming will prevent it from eventually unraveling. If the entire Greenland ice sheet melted, global sea levels would rise by 7.5 meters. Unprecedented rates of melting have been observed at the bottom of the Greenland ice sheet, a study published in February found, caused by huge quantities of meltwater trickling down from the surface. Scientists play volleyball in shorts at the North Pole. At the East Greenland Ice Core Project, EastGRIP, research camp in northwest Greenland, scientists have been trying to get planes to fly to the camp so they can transport recently collected ice cores out of the camp. However, due to abnormal temperature and soft ice layer, the plane could not take off and land normally. The temperatures we are seeing right now are simply too hot for the ski-equipped planes to land, Grinstead said. So we store the ice cores in large artificial caves we have made into the snow to protect it from the heat of the summer. While the scientists were waiting, they took advantage of the unusually warm weather and played volleyball in shorts on the ice sheet on top of the world. Scientists take advantage of the abnormal warmth while they wait, playing volleyball in their shorts on an ice sheet at the top of the world. Image of info. Your personal information is 100% secured with us. We do not save/share you.